page 4. Then on page 4, they have this division statement. After you've done your long division, you can write the division statement. And we've been doing this all the way along. But to remind us what it is, we have the polynomial. It's going to equal what we divided by times by our quotient plus our remainder. So Q is for quotient, which is an answer you get when you divide by. D is for divisor, what you're dividing by. I find that this division statement reminds me of ice cream. It's really easy to remember because it's got DQ in there. I wish they would give me like an ice cream cone for adding that in and putting it on YouTube. But they haven't. Still waiting. I guess it has to go more viral than 5 views. So then maybe the advertising would be really good. Okay, so let's look at the example we just did. We just did this division, and this was the polynomial that we started with. We divided it by x minus 1. This is the answer we got, which was our quotient. And then we had to add the remainder. So we wrote out the division statement for this. Basically what the division statement is a way for you to connect. What did you just do? You just divided. What did that answer mean? The answer means that this polynomial is equal to these two together, but they're not quite right. There's a bit of a remainder, so we have to add that on at the end to make it equal. So we go to example 2. I still have my steps set up here. So we're going to do our setup. It looks like things are nice. It looks like things are written in the right order. See, written and right order in the same word. I had right come up. Okay. So they are written in the right order. Should have said correct order. That would have been better. And we have, though, part 2 says add a 0 if something's missing. Notice we have an x to the 4. Then we have an x cubed, but we have no x squared. So we add a 0. We add a 0 where the x squared was. And we're dividing by x plus 2. So again, I'll do the first one, and then I'll give you a head start to finish it off. So I look at my 3x to the 4. I would have to multiply by 3x cubed. So give me 3x to the 4 plus 6x cubed. Put it in brackets and subtract. This would be 0. This would be minus 7x cubed plus 0x squared plus 3x minus 20. And then your first one is a minus 7x cubed. All right, let's see how you did. All right, did you get a remainder of 30? Or did you make a mental math mistake along the way? Now this question said to write the division statement, and I'm going to teach you one thing that'll make it a little bit shorter. Because part of the annoying thing in the division statement is you have to rewrite the polynomial, which is, in this case, 4 things long. So to make it your life a little bit shorter, you can put brackets around that polynomial, and above it you can write let p of x equal that. Then when you write your division statement, instead of writing all of that again, you just write P of X equals, we were dividing by, our divisor was X plus 2. So we write X plus 2. Our quotient, our answer that we got, was 3x squared minus 7x plus 14x minus 25. And then it didn't quite work. It had a remainder, so plus 30. So this is our polynomial, our divisor, our quotient, plus our remainder. And questions to practice on this one are 3b and 7.